What is going on, YouTube? My name is Mike, and today we are going fishing with my buddy Ben on his boat. I think you guys are gonna like this one. Get a few fish on a Crush 25X mini crankbait on a spinning rod. So I'm excited to show you this one. Then you gotta break this down, you know? To break this down. What are you using? What are you using?
I want to catch something.
Oh no. Oh!
Don't get up in there, dude. I'm telling you. Right?
Oh! I got nailed.
I'm telling you, dude. I don't think you're getting nailed.
No, that was a...
Oh, that's right where we got hung up.
You think there's a tree branch or something down there? This looks like where a bass would hide. Oh! The bass just jumped over there.
Hey, how's that log feel? How does the log feel?
He almost dies every time we...
Hey, there it is.
Yeah?
Yep.
Chatterbait.
Nope.
Yeah?
Yep.
No! Crankbait. Shh, don't let him see it. Yeah! Shoot, man.
They're not in shells.
They're out deep.
They're out deep.
Oh, nice 1.5.
Let's try this.
Send it.
I don't know why, but I'm glad I sent it.
I wonder why. I wonder why they're there.
Dude, I love fishing with these things.
Oh, that goes far.
That, and part of me was like, okay, we're gonna go fish that break ball a little bit.
Yeah.
It's normally good around break.
Oh, I saw a dimple right there. Maybe there's a bait pod over here.
Dude, he hit hard.
This bait, I think it's too small for this. I saw big, oh. Oh, oh, that's a good one. Dude, no, it's good. It's good.
It's good. Okay, it's maybe a little bit bigger, right? Not a whole lot.
Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh.
You don't really look foul.
Yeah, he wasn't, he was just trying to hit it.
Oh, no, he's enough.
Oh.
Don't put that much.
Dude, he's not done.
Okay, he's a little bit bigger, but no, maybe not.
He is foul hooked though.
No, he's not.
Right in the cheek.
Oh, maybe.
Oh no, he...
Oh.
See, I knew he was gonna fucking come off. God damn it, man. There's gotta be fish over here. There's gotta be fish.
Right now.
You tied on a deep diver?
Just for shits and giggles.
Damn, that's a big one.
Can you imagine if I caught something?
That's deep. There's one. I got one. Yes, dude.
Little. It's a little dinky.
I don't even care. It's like a 1 pounder. Oh, no, that's a little bit better. Yeah. He's so mad. I can't really boat flip here. You want to get that net?
See, boat flip that shit.
No. Not with these tiny treble hooks, man. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Hey, I used your net.
Maybe I should drop the bait.
Awesome, dude. Okay. It's a dandy old fish. Crush mini 25X crankbait. Code MGF10. Save some money, Ben. well. It's not a fish? No way. Oh, I do have a fish. Oh my gosh. No. That's a bass. Okay. That's not a bad bass, actually. Go for deep. That's 1.5 pound bass, dude. I like how I'm just not able to notice that there's a bass on.
There's times where you just don't feel it.
I'm gonna get that hook off. Bye. And there we go. Bass. Another truckers. Cool. Another one on the Crush 25X, man. We gotta get some more of those. We're coming here again. Alright, YouTube, we are all done. We are at the boat ramp. Ben's going to get the trailer. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. But all the fish today were on the Crush, the mini Crush 25X crankbait. It dives 2 to 5 feet and super small, so small I could only throw it on my spinning rod. So, or you could throw it on a BFS system. But yeah, I think that is the wild shad color. Wild shad worked really well. If you guys want to check that out, 6centsfishing.com. Use code MGF10, save some money. But thank you to Ben for taking me out on the boat. Got into a few good fish. It was a little tough still, but I think it was a good day. So yeah, leave a like, leave a comment, tell me what you liked and what you didn't like. Hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to explore for fish.